Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to learn and make a quiz on NotebookLM. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type NotebookLM and press enter. Click on the official NotebookLM website from the results. Once you're on the home page, select the Try NotebookLM option to access the tool. After entering the interface, click on the Create New button to start a new project. Next, upload your source material by selecting the Upload Source option. Choose the documents or files you want to study from and upload them into the platform. This allows NotebookLM to analyze your content and tailor the experience to your material. Once your content is uploaded, return to the main interface. Now, locate the quiz button. Click it, and NotebookLM will automatically generate a quiz based on your uploaded material. This helps test your understanding and highlight important concepts. Use this feature regularly to improve retention and identify areas that need more review. So that's basically how you can learn and make a quiz on NotebookLM. That's it for this video. Thanks.